Welcome to Rehab and Reinvent. Today, Mrs. Troop is going to tell us how our team rehabbed and reinvented a two-flat to get it cash flowing on 65th Street.
Welcome to the open house at 843 East on 65th Street in Chicago, Illinois. This property was sold to one of our general contractors, and it was a part of a portfolio of properties that we purchased to supply our clients with quality rehab projects. The purchase price for this property was $121,000. The average cost of rehab in this area for a square footage in this particular building is right around $90,000. Because there was a GC that did this, there was no general contractor profit, so this rehab was completed at budget, $90,000. There were no overages, etc. The ARV on this property is $325,000. We are listing this property at $310,000, and before our open house today, we actually have one offer, so we'll be considering that offer later today. So the property here at 843 East 65th Street is a 2-unit building. It offers 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, and beautiful LVT tile throughout. You will have a full basement that offers plenty of storage. There's all new plumbing, new electrical, new HVAC. These apartments will rent for approximately $1,300 a month. They do offer central air, and they are self-sufficient. So the tenant pays for all the utilities, and the owner gets to enjoy a reduced cost of living. When completing a rehab of this magnitude, you want to pay attention to some of the details. These are going to be your wow factors that will bring in your consumers. So you're going to make sure that you look at your baseboards. Those things are going to be replaced because they make the room nice and crisp when they're new. You're going to look at your doors and make sure you have quality doors on each room and the entry to the property. Your kitchen cabinets, the kitchen layout should be nice and open as possible. So these are the things that you're going to go through and pay attention to when completing a rehab and putting your budget together. Don't forget the ceiling fans in the bedrooms, remember. That is a wow factor. Buyers love to see that. The curb appeal for this property was greatly improved based on the tuck pointing, the replacement of lintels, new windows, new sidewalk, the wrought iron fence out front was painted. Everything was done to take care and make sure that the property was presented in a professional and beautiful way.
Want to learn how to reinvent rehabs a tad above the rest? Call our team at TADD Realty Incorporated today at 773-863-0704.